welcome back. So this is the Lego Friends Nature Glamping Cabin set. So I think this is the first Lego Friends glamping set, isn't it? Or maybe there was a glamping set before. I'm not so sure about that. But there are lots of camping sets. But I think a glamping set is very new. So glamping is sort of like a cabin camping, but it's more modern, right? It's kind of like as if you moved your house into a camping tent, sort of like that. So we also have some mountain bikes. There's also a cute cat over here as well, and the inside is really nice. So there are beds inside, but there's also a bed on the top for the cat, which is super cute. So there's Nova and Leanne included in this set, and outside we also have a really nice looking tree, and the inside is very cozy, and there's also a nice drawing of cat drawings. Super cute, right? Yeah, I think this set looks so wonderful, and the inside, I like the way that the color is yellow and pink. I think the color looks very nice too, and you can also sort of open the windows. Yeah, and it's going to be very nice and cool. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.